Hello everybody! On this video, we're going to talk about the differences between Shopify versus Shopify Plus. At Optimum 7, we have done thousands of platform migrations in the past 10 years. BigCommerce to Shopify, WooCommerce to Shopify, Magento to Shopify, Volusion to Shopify, 3D Cart Shift 4 Shop to Shopify. So we know the Shopify infrastructure really well and all the functionalities of both Shopify and Shopify Plus. And on this video, we will guide you in the right direction in terms of the difference between Shopify and Shopify Plus. When should you move to Shopify Plus? Now, if you're in Shopify, if you're doing over $2 million, it might be time to move to Shopify Plus. If you are on another e-commerce platform, it's time to move to a platform like Shopify Plus when you are doing a few $1 million, but when you're also feeling that you're hitting that ceiling, right? Your customers are making certain functionality requests that you are not able to do on your current platform. You are also running into issues with customization, slow website speed, slow load times, and you're getting a lot of complaints, support complaints from your customers. And or the current or the new products that you have developed, you cannot really fulfill the orders because of the fact that you need more customization on your product pages. You might need a custom product configurator, or you might need a product customizer, which is kind of like what Vistaprint has. So if your business model requires that you have a custom checkout funnel, it is time, or it might be time, to switch to a platform like Shopify Plus. If you have any questions about Shopify or Shopify Plus capabilities, pricing, infrastructure, comment below or contact us at optimum7.com and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction.